Welcome to the moving vlog part 2. I look like a ghost. That is because I'm between doing my makeup. Abhi, we ended the vlog 1 where I just did the carpet and then I'm gonna shift all the stuff which is behind me. Right now I have a puja, so Pandit ji aane wale hai, and then we are gonna do a small puja, Ganesh puja, and then from tomorrow is actually when I'm gonna shift the entire vanity, my entire makeup collection, skincare collection, and some of my wardrobe to still I feel like it will take another week, but my main priority is the vanity behind me. So we're gonna do that, and let me take you through it. I'm also filming a video. You should get the sticky thing on your phone. It is so freaking convenient to film videos, especially like if you have like good sunlight coming on your face. Like, just look how beautiful this is looking. I am just obsessing over the lighting. This is like so blinding, but I am obsessed with the sunlight over here.
Tasmina mama rajatware vyapare nyayane nagarakshara mangaladhanam sure devapuram purnadhyam Sodradvaya Jubranam Bharani Rajayaka Sartadu Karta Varta Virate Urvee Urvee Prem Upadeyate Sarvangi Sundara Purushen Gorate Venkata Kemanu Kaparate Jai Dev Jai Dev Jai Mangala Murti Ho Pri Mangala Murti Sarvan Premana Kamana Murti Jai Dev Jai Dev.
Puja is done now. 7 o'clock हुए हैं and still there is sunlight, which is amazing. Tomorrow I'm going to pack all my stuff and then I'm gonna bring it over here because day after tomorrow my brother is coming to show me the entire setup so that I can film in a better way. So yeah, today is accomplished. I feel very tired. I want to sleep. I'll probably just go home and then sleep in the next 1.5 hours. So yes, just forgot that I had these packing cubes from Amazon in my other suitcase, so I'm gonna fill my makeup with that. And I have like, I don't even know how much I'm gonna pack this into a suitcase. So let's see if even my makeup, all my makeup stays in this mini suitcase. Let's pray for the best. The entirety of my eyeshadows, most of them, is going in here. So let's add. Oh my god, this is so heavy. God bless the person who's gonna carry it, probably me. Okay. Okay, then I'm gonna add this foundation. Oh my god, I don't know how I'm gonna take that. Doing this from one hand is very difficult. I don't know, I really don't think everything is gonna fit in this. I think I might have to take another bag because this is just getting so full and it is gonna get so heavy. So of course wo chadhane ko and all of that is going to take a lot of effort. Hi and good morning. I know you're lopsided, but this is the suitcase 2 in which I'm gonna fill my entire primers and lipsticks. I still have my primers and lipsticks, entire, I think 200 of them, which I have to fill. So let's start. Hopefully it should fit in the suitcase. I'll try to show it to you. So we have all of this space left, so I'm thinking I'll just try to fit my primers in here. So ये foundation वाला जो है, I think I have filled out too much, so I'm gonna go ahead, remove some and put it in this, and this becomes a little bit less like heavy. This is way better. Now let's move on to the primers. Thankfully most of them are just plastic and not in a glass jar, which is great. All these plastic stuff. Not sure if you can see. ये जो मेरा duffel bag है, I'm just gonna add it in that, so I can just take it to the studio. It makes a lot of noise, which is irritating. So I was able to fit as many as I can in this duffel. Now Lorraine is coming to meet me, so, and also she wants to see the studio. So I'm just gonna take this bag, and these two suitcases with my entire makeup on are gonna go probably in the afternoon. So yeah, now the only thing which is left is my lipsticks. So I have to go, and I'm thinking, wait. Ignore the pasara, but almost all the drawers are empty. I'm gonna take all of these now over there. सबसे पहले तो these two bags are of my makeup. This has the acrylic dividers जो ये मैं खुद से लेके जाने वाली because I can carry this. Then I'm gonna come home and like put all my skincare and hair care, like the extra ones, which you can see over here. This, I think these 3 drawers completely empty होने वाले हैं, and I think this one as well, like the entirety of these 4 drawers, so that मुझे जो चाहिए वही मैं ये drawer में रखने वाली हूँ. Rest everything is gonna go in the studio. I'm gonna empty all of these 4 drawers in here because this is just the skincare, hair care which I have to take in my studio. So this can only be the section where I'll just have the products which I'm using right now. I just realized कि मैं body lotions use ही नहीं करती हूँ, and I should use them, and it's my fault. Lorraine is here at Urvee studio and her dream space that she's gonna share. She got me a gift. Oh my god! Of course I'm coming to your studio for the first time. और यहाँ पे देखना रहता है, हम लोग यहाँ पे देखते हैं यार. तो हमेशा मेरी mistake होती है. मैं खुद को ही देख रही हूँ, हाँ वही होता है. So we're gonna go ahead and
she's gonna do a lot of successful things in this studio.
And we're gonna make so many videos here. Probably a group podcast.
Yeah, group podcast, yes.
This is empty. Let's go shift this and my suitcases. Look at that, पूरा सामान कार में डाल के हम लोग 2 मिनट दूर जा रहे हैं मेरे स्टूडियो पे. We are going to apply the wallpaper over here, and this is gonna be one space to make some videos. I look so tired, but my entire bags of makeup are here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and probably create boxes of my skincare. Makeup का vanity आना बाकी है. So until then, I'm gonna open my skincare bag. Skincare bag. My brain is buffing, and I'm gonna probably keep all my skincare products in these boxes. So that is done, I can take these suitcases because मैं जैसे बता रही हूँ मेरा Indian कपड़ा जो है ना, all of them were in this, and all of them are on my bed right now. So I have no place to sleep. So I have to go empty these, go at home, pack all the stuff in here, and whenever I'm shifting the clothes, that's when I will come and unpack the clothes again. This is all the empties ka box. I'm just gonna keep it because I like to make the empties video. And this is all my body care stuff. This is all the serums, like which was in the. This is not all the serums I have. मेरे पास और बहुत है घर पे. And then this is all the backup moisturizers, like new ones I haven't opened. Some of them I've used, right? And then This is basically empty, which is great. This has like new stuff which I haven't tried and like mini stuff. This has my all travel size products, and this has like sunscreens which were in the that drawer. Oh, I forgot I have more sunscreens. I'll remove that later. So right now I'm thinking to just keep them in one corner and say tata bye bye. Look at that, you guys. I am so happy. The main task begins, which is to go ahead. I hope you can hear me. There's so much echo. Wow. Which is to go ahead and start putting my makeup in this. So let's go. I don't know if you can see, मैंने literally drawer के हिसाब से सब कुछ लिखा है. Primer, where will it go? Contour, setting spray, all of that. So I have like previously I used to have like 7 drawers of this entire vanity because I used to keep my hair care as well in this and my tech. But for now, I'm just gonna dedicate the entire 10 drawers to makeup. So when I'm filming the video, I have entirely all the things in my hand, which is amazing. So let's go and start organizing my makeup. I can't wait. All my setting sprays are going in here. This is my concealer and powders drawer, and to arrange my concealers I have this lipstick holder which we all know about. This concealers I'm gonna just put it like this and then keep it over here so it's easy to see as well. Foundations will go here. This is the primers drawer. Let's arrange it. This is so dirty, but this is gonna be my eyeshadow drawer. Let's go. Mascaras and my eye products will go here. Have blushes over here, and I'm gonna add like these for my powdered ones and these for my mini ones and this for basically everything else. Let's see how it goes. We have all my highlighters going in here and contour palette. I look so bad, but I just finished filming the entire organizing my vanity. You might have seen some clips. It is looking so good. I am super excited to start filming content over here. Tomorrow we are gonna do a test run on how the products, wow, how my videos are gonna look. My brother is gonna come and teach me about a new lighting setup, which is softwork. So हम लोग उसके साथ try करने वाले हैं. But this is the end to the vlog 2 of the moving vlog. I feel like this has been too much. Next up, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the setup, a little bit of a sneak peek, and maybe shifting some miscellaneous stuff. And then maybe there will be a vlog 4 where I go ahead and actually shift my clothes, because this week I have no strength whatsoever to go and again shift my clothes, because that is another thing and I just can't right now. I need sleep, I need food, and I need to spend some time in my bed. Thank you so much for watching my moving vlogs. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.